What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another... What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be getting some new tires. I'm getting some KO02 all-terrains. I just kind of wanted to record. Not much has happened to this truck aside from those LED pods, which I still need to make a video on. But, yeah, so I will catch you guys next time I pick up the camera. What's up, you guys? So I just got my tires, and I'm so happy. Never been happy enough to spend a little bit upwards of $1,000. Well, I'm lying, I have, but anyways, I got the tires. They look so freaking good. I'm about to pull over right now and pull into my little spot that I got and show you guys around. But man, this is freaking nice. I can't wait to show you guys. All right, you guys, so here it is. This is a BFGoodrich 275/70 by 18, and I got the rough country leveling kit there. Wow, that looks nasty there. But yeah, I haven't been able to find a setup like this on YouTube. Well, I did, but with different tires. As you could see, there's plenty of space here. So far, it has not rubbed, but man, this thing looks freaking amazing. Just, I'm so happy if you guys can't tell through my voice. But dude, this is freaking quiet. Just sounds so good. Sheesh. This thing looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I should have done this a long time ago. But the truck, it feels like it did get a little bit taller. But man, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Sheesh. Once again, I hadn't seen anyone do this specific tire with the KO2s on there. Given that the wheels that I wanted were out of stock, I was looking for Trail Boss wheels, but no one came through, and I needed tires. I had a puncture in the front left, so it would constantly go low and low and low. So with these bad boys, man, the thing looks freaking nice. In this video right here, I just kind of wanted to show you guys the clearance that that you have with the leveling kit and in the wheel well. So here I'm sticking my hand in. You got some space in there. You could honestly probably size up, but like I had said, I hadn't seen this done on YouTube where they actually show the clearance. They just say it fits. So here you guys go, and thanks. Any questions you guys may have, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I tend to respond to those. But yeah, dude, this thing looks freaking amazing. Sheesh, man, I can't wait to go off-roading and feel the difference, because it already feels like just going through these crappy roads we have here, it's just way better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.